Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be starting, probably not finish it today because I do have to go to work in a couple of hours, Halloween / Mardi Gras Wreath. Now I was very excited when I went to do a car boot sale a few weeks ago and I found this guy. So he's a bit battered and a bit bruised. I was going to come home and paint him, but then I thought, no, do you know what, I quite like him how he is. Does look vintage, and I think he looks a bit scary, so I'm going to do him. I'm going to actually I have wiped him off and cleaned him up, but I'm going to use some of this finishing wax on him just to see if I can seal him for winter, because obviously Halloween in the UK is over winter, so, well, everybody knows it's in October, but it does get wet and windy and things in the UK, so hopefully, I mean, it is for furniture, so it should do the same thing. So to go with him, I've got some ombre mesh. There is green in this, but I'm thinking if I put the green towards the centre of the wreath, that should be fine. So we've got that. So I picked out the colours on him. So he's got gold, he's got like a burgundy colour and blue. I couldn't actually get anything close to the burgundy, so that's the closest I could get. It's like a dark pink, cerise pink glitter. I've got the blue glitter, which matches it quite well actually. Just show you that. I've got this beautiful thick gold, black and purple ribbon. I've got the purple with the gold on the edge. I've got the purple and blue check with the gold on the edge. Got some traditional black and white. Let's put all these to one side. Willows just at the back of my chewing paws. Willows, stop chewing. Got this spray. Now this should be a Christmas spray, but I'm thinking I can cut it down and use it in some areas. I'll decide that when I'm doing it. And I'm actually using a 12-inch frame this time. Normally I only use the 10-inch, but when I tried his face against a wreath that I'd made on the 10-inch, he just overwhelmed it. So I'm going to try the 12-inch frame, so hopefully that should work. So let's get to waxing him. So got a normal cloth. I'm actually sat on my little step ladders because I knew it's going to be a while while I'm doing this. So just rip that down. Have a drink of my tea. So I'm just going to put my finger inside the cloth, just rub it over the wax. So we've got a little bit on there. And I'll start round his chin, and I'm just going to put the wax over. Now as you can hear, he does have bells on, so that should be fun. So as you can see, it's got a little bit of a shine to him now. I'm just going to finish that off and then I'll be back. Right, so that's him all waxed and sealed, so I'm going to put him to one side and I'm going to start on the wreath base. So because this is a 12-inch wreath base, I'm going to do 18 ties. So I'm going to do 10 around the outer ring and 8 around the inner ring. So we've got 5 sections, so it's 2 in each section, but I want to try and tie one off at each of the stanchions on the inside. So I've got my glue gun, I've got my chenille sticks or pipe cleaners, so I'm just going to tie that round. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that should work out perfect. So now the glue gun's wound up, I'm just going to go around and put it on around these. So you notice I do wrap them a different way every time. Just to hold it in place, it's not quite ready yet. So that's her 10 on the bottom. So I'm going to go and do 8 on the top and then I'll come back to you. Right everyone, so change of plan. I actually did 10 across the bottom and 6 across the top. I think it looks better. When I did the 8, they were very close together. So we've gone with the 6 on the top now. So I'm going to use this mesh. Very pretty. So it's the ombre metallic mesh. It's 10 inches. There is green in it, but I'm thinking if I do it so the purple's on the outside, you're not really going to notice the green. So I'm going to get this in now. I'm going to do poofs. So I'm going to do 10-inch poofs. I'm going to start on the bottom row, work my way around and then come up onto the top row. So I'm just going to put that down on the floor.